My name is Rhys Oxenham. I'm the general manager of SUSE's AI business. Really excited to be here. We launched 2 products earlier this week, and we launched a new offering with Vultr, which I'm really excited to talk to you about today.
We've heard about AI everywhere, of course.
Yeah.
And a lot of companies are struggling about, okay, there is a lot of pressure. How can we implement AI, but also how can we do it in a secure manner? What can we answer to those customers?
Yeah, so I think organizations are under a huge amount of pressure to innovate, to differentiate, to attract new routes to market through artificial intelligence. And so with that pressure comes risk through loss of data, loss of proprietary information, feeding your data to third-party models. And also it leads to a lack of control around costs. You enter a world where it becomes very unpredictable to know just how much you're actually spending on your AI initiatives. What our organizations that we work with are coming to us and saying is, look, we want to leverage AI. We are unsure about how to go about it. We need stability, predictability, and costs. We need to do it safely and securely. And our answer to that is private enterprise AI. And that is the kind of cornerstone of our new product offerings that we launched earlier this week and our SUSE AI Factory with NVIDIA. Fundamentally, we're all about choice. When we say private enterprise AI, we don't mean private cloud. We mean private to you as an organization. We want to make sure that when you operate your AI, you're doing so within your kind of span of control, within your corporate perimeter. So you keep control of that data, you have a choice on where to deploy it, and you're able to have that cost predictability. Deploying that, yes, many of our customers will run this infrastructure on-premise, but many of our customers, they want to actually run it on a trusted technology ecosystem. And Vultr to us are our, kind of flagship partner for this. So Vultr operates across 32 data centers across the world, and we've launched a Quickstart Bundle with them, so that organizations can quickly provision a SUSE AI Factory with NVIDIA on trusted infrastructure. As soon as you want to deploy it, dynamically provision it, it's ready to go.
Wow, fantastic. I believe it's also an answer to the supply chain from hardware perspective, because that's
Absolutely.
a real issue. 6 to 9 months minimum to get some new hardware.
Hit the nail on the head. Equipment is expensive. It's hard to procure. Organizations, again, they're under so much pressure to just get going. And that leads to, as I said earlier, risks of shadow AI. It's really easy to kind of go use a third-party model with all the security and the cost risks of doing that. So a lot of our customers, they want to run on-premise, but it's hard to get access to that infrastructure. Being able to just dynamically provision on safe, trusted, fully validated infrastructure through Vultr is a fantastic opportunity for our customers. There's lots of different ways about going about this. We want to make sure that for customers that want to try our software and to get involved in it really, really quickly, they can set up POCs, they can run pilots, they can set up a bit of a kind of pay-as-you-go type model. But also we see this as a truly viable long-term production platform for our customers. For us, it's about choice. Some customers will want to run certain workloads, certain models on-premise, especially when you think about edge and some specialized type models. But for many organizations, they will want to have a hybrid type infrastructure. Run some on-premise, run some on the cloud. And that's exactly where our partners at Vultr come in.
We always heard about the 5-layer cakes when you talk about AI, but that's exactly what we are helping customers to solve.
I really like Jensen's kind of 5-layer cake kind of definition of AI infrastructure. But also, for us, we sit in that kind of middle layer around the actual infrastructure pieces. But the reality is that's not just one layer. There are multiple different layers. I was just talking through the operating system, Kubernetes, GPU drivers, operators, software components. It's our responsibility to put these things together, make them consumable, make them safe to deploy, allow customers to kind of check the compliance checkbox when it comes to security and compliance in a world that is rapidly changing in that landscape. And so, we want to make sure that we have a really fully validated stack that customers can ultimately trust and be safe in the knowledge that the system is going to do everything it can to protect those customers wherever they deploy it.